Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Corey, back again with another video, and in this one we're going to be unboxing the brand new 2020 13-inch MacBook Pro. I'm so excited guys. This is gonna be one of my first MacBooks. I normally go for the desktops, this being the iMac, and the last one I had was the 27-inch, which is now redundant because I've just had it for too long, and I've decided to go and get a MacBook Pro instead. And what I will do, I'll probably have an external display where I'll link it to and use it as my desktop when I'm at home, and then as my MacBook Pro laptop when I'm out and about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, so this is the MacBook Pro guys, as I said, 13-inch, 2020. It's the most up-to-date MacBook Pro, and in terms of the spec, the one that I went for, 13-inch, 2 GHz quad-core Intel i5, and it can go up to 3.8 GHz turbo boost. It has 16 gig of RAM and 512 gig SSD. Internal Irish Plus graphics, 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, support high-speed I/O video output, headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch bar, and Touch ID. Yeah, it's beast. It's beast. So we'll go ahead and open this bad boy. MacBook Pro 2020. That's nice. That's very nice. Alright, so we have the MacBook Pro. Feels very nice in the hands, I have to say. This is also the space gray version guys. You can get it in silver or you can get it in space gray. I went for the space gray. I find that it looks more attractive, and yeah, it feels very good in the hand. So we'll put that to the side for the moment, and we'll just take a look at what else we get in the box. So we got our USB Type-C cable, which we're going to use to charge and power the MacBook Pro. Some Apple stickers, all of that good stuff, setup guide and everything there. 3-pin wall adapter, as we are in the UK, and the power bank itself. That's it. So we got the MacBook Pro. As I said, this is a space gray. Go ahead and actually take the plastic off. That's nice. That's nice right there. So first impression guys, the design, just how it feels, is just dope. I love it. It's just, it feels so premium. Like they've never disappointed me in that department. It just in terms of the quality of their products, you know, very nice. So first impressions, wow, that's clean, and it comes straight on, as you can see. Let's get this off. Retina display, so nice, so nice. The keyboard layout, it's just nice, and that trackpad right there, wow, 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 wow. Here we go, here we go. So standard setup. I'll just fast forward this part of the video.
Press the return key.
I'll fast forward this part of the video for you guys, just to go through the initial setup, and we'll go through it from there. All right. Continue. Yes guys, so as I said, got the MacBook Pro in the house. I'm so gassed right now, it's unbelievable. Yeah, so as I said, this is the space gray model. I just went through the initial setup just to enter my Apple ID, such and such. Yeah, so my first impression of this guys, it's just nice. One of the reasons why I like MacBooks and I like Apple products is the fact that they really put the effort in to ensure that their products are not only good looking, but that everything works accordingly. And guys, this is nice, okay? In terms of the design, it's definitely something I'd recommend. It feels so premium. Apple has also ensured that they've updated the specs on it, so you're not only going to get a nice looking laptop, but you definitely will get your money's worth. One of the reasons why I also like the MacBook is the fact, or not even MacBook, the one reason why I like Apple products when it comes to computers and phones is the fact that the value doesn't drop as low as a standard PC. The value after a year or two or maybe 3 years, it's still going to be worth a decent amount of money. You will definitely get back at least 25% of your money. I've had an iMac 27-inch now for like 8 years, and I can easily sell that now on eBay for at least £250 to £300 after 8 years. So it tells you that the value doesn't, you know, it takes a while for it to move. But not only the value, but look at this, it's beautiful. It is a very nice laptop, and Apple has definitely done well here. I mainly bought this for general use. We'll be using it to also edit a few videos, but not excessively. As I said, this version that I got is the 13-inch with 2 GHz quad-core 10th generation Intel Core i5 Turbo Boost up to 3.8 GHz. It has 512 gig SSD and can be configured up to 2 terabyte SSD. I didn't go for that because it did require me to spend a little bit more money that I didn't want to spend. It has 2 Thunderbolts. Actually, this one has 4, I believe. So you can see there on the right hand side you got 2, and on the left hand side you've also got 2. This is how it looks from the side. This is how thin this is. Like, this reminds me so much of the MacBook Air. Can you guys actually see how thin that is? It's very thin, very nice. Very, very nice. Got the nice touchpad and the butterfly keyboard. It feels nice. Feels nice, and as I said, my initial impression, guys, definitely I would recommend it. It's worth the money, man. It's worth the money, because the thing is, when I had my iMac, a few of my family members, they purchased PCs over the years, and I find that they've actually replaced their PC several times already, and I'm only now upgrading my iMac, you know, after 8 years. So it goes to prove that, you know, these products, they do last. Apple do make their products to last, and as I said, just in terms of value, man, you can't lose. You cannot lose. Definitely gonna be good. So there you have it, guys, my unboxing of the new MacBook Pro from Apple. It's the 13-inch MacBook Pro, and it has all of the up-to-date specs. It's a beast if you're looking for something that's gonna last you, something that's not gonna drop in value over the years. This is definitely something I'd recommend, and I'll let you guys know how I get on with it. If there's anything I may come across that I feel like you guys should know, I will definitely let you know. But for the moment, this is my unboxing, guys. Please ensure that you hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of my new videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.